I call this technique lettering for people with terrible handwriting. So if you really admire the kinds of beautiful lettering people do in their sketchbooks, but you're like, this is never going to be me. I am just not going to put the time into all these practice sheets and all these techniques, then this is for you. And this is a very sped up version of a lesson that I send out to my subscribers. These go out by email every Friday. But you can kind of get the idea here. All we're doing is we're changing the width of the letters, making them super tall and skinny or making them, super wide. And I have this technique for doing this where I have you write it out at first, showing exactly what letter is in the middle. And this really helps you get your spacing right on the page. So you can see that I'm doing the word Paris in this kind of backwards way where I start in the middle just to make sure I've got it right. And all we're doing is making the letters either super tall and skinny or super wide, or in this case, we're having the loops and the little cross bars of the letters be very high or very low. Like that's all it is, and anyone can do this, especially if you're starting first with pencil and then going in and just drawing on top, and then you can somewhat erase your pencil marks later. So this is one of a few different approaches to doing super easy lettering in your sketchbook that I walk through in these lessons that I email out to subscribers. So if you're interested in this, I'll put a link below, and when you subscribe, you also get the whole archive. So there's like at least a year's worth of stuff that you can also go through. And of course, when I send these out, they're not sped up. They're in real time, so you can follow along. But if you enjoy this kind of thing, be sure and like and subscribe to the channel so you'll see more of these little previews, but also you can see how this particular approach works. So go ahead and give this a try. And remember, all the beautiful effects that you see in other people's sketchbooks, they're just a little handful of tricks. And these tricks are easy and fun to learn. And that's kind of my goal, is to share some of my easy tricks with you. Thanks.